In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft Teams on Windows 11. Whether you're new to Teams or setting it up on a new device, I'll guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the official Teams download page. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, either type Microsoft Teams Download or go directly to the official Microsoft site. This page is reliable, ensuring you get the latest version of Microsoft Teams. Once you're on the website, you'll see a prominent button labeled Download Now. Click it to start getting the setup file. Now, the site should automatically detect that you're using a Windows operating system. If everything looks good, click on Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. This will start downloading the installer directly to your computer. You'll notice the file is typically labeled something like Teams Windows/64.exe. Once the download is complete, locate the file, likely in your Downloads folder, and double-click to open it. If you see a security prompt from Windows asking for permission to open or install the app, just go ahead and click Yes. This is a standard security procedure, so no worries here. What happens next is the installation process. Windows 11 should handle this quite smoothly, so you can sit back for a few minutes while Teams installs on your system. After installation, Microsoft Teams might automatically launch. If it doesn't, simply press your Windows key, type Teams, and hit Enter to open it. Once Teams is running, the next step is signing in. You'll need to enter your work, school, or Microsoft account email, followed by your password. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to complete that as well. Remember, multi-factor authentication is there to add an extra layer of security, so it's beneficial in the long run. Finally, you'll be asked if you want to stay signed in for quicker access next time. This decision is up to you, though it's quite convenient if Teams is something you use daily. And there you have it. Microsoft Teams is all set up on your Windows 11 device, ready for you to start collaborating and communicating effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.